Want to call someone on WhatsApp but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to start an audio or video call on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. To call someone on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp and go to the Calls tab. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then select the name of the contact you want to call. Tap the phone icon to start an audio call, or the video camera icon to start a video call. Then just wait for them to answer. That's all it takes to call someone on WhatsApp. Want to start a group call on WhatsApp? Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.